Welcome to Jockey Circle. This is a different model I'm going to show you today, and this is what you can get here in Davie. This grand entrance is, I think, the best part of this house. You access the front door and you just feel in paradise. The first thing we have here is an office. So this home is 5 bedrooms plus an office. Sometimes, the properties are listed as a 5-bedroom, including that office space, which is so important, but in this case, it will be 6 complete rooms. I love the decor. This family is so organized that it makes showing this property just like a breeze. Incredibly clean, incredibly beautiful and organized. They have kids, they have dogs, and yet this looks like picture perfect. What we have here is the first wing of the house, which is the main wing. And the cool thing about it is we have a cabana bathroom in here. This one can be used by the pool and also the guests that come to visit. The main room is incredibly big. What I love is how bright this property is. You see, it's like light is coming from every single angle, and since the ceilings are so high, it also gives you that sense of space and two good sized closets in here. And this bathroom is a wow. Meaning that the size of this thing is really great. Coming back to the main area, here we have the dining room space, vaulted ceilings, and this used to be a thing, like having a bar like this one here. This house was built in 2008. The community is only 66 homes. Each of them is sitting on a builder's acre, which is a little bit smaller than an acre. We have the second wing, and this is where the bedrooms are. I mean, most of the bedrooms. So we have one bedroom over here. Closet space, pretty good. Rooms are super generous. This one is really cool because, you know, it is super private. And it's all the way by this end of the house. Now we go to the other bedroom right here. Kind of the same size, probably a little bigger, but not much. But this one shares a bathroom, a pretty cool bathroom. With this next bedroom. These two are identical, like in size, the closet. And this one will take me to the main area here by the kitchen. And family room. Cool, huh? You have access to the kitchen from everywhere in the house. Nice breakfast area. And now we have the family here. This decor here is lovely. This is another bathroom that can be used by the pool. This is one of the most private bedrooms because it's all the way to the end of the house. Exit to the pool area. I want you to look at this patio, okay? This house has impact windows. Again, the community is only 66 homes. They were built in two phases. So one was built in 2008, which is this part, this house. and the other part was built in 2018. Okay, this pool, wow. I want you to see how long, I mean how wide this property is. This sitting space right here is just like the best part of the house. You can do so many things in here. And the beauty of living in Davie is that the restrictions for building, extending, maybe a pergola, an outdoor kitchen is not as strict as other parts here in West Broward. I just love this backyard. Really windy, really nice. So this door is the one for the last bedroom I show you, and that bathroom that you can use also as a cabana bathroom. But still, you have that one over there that is one of the first bathrooms I showed you, which is great for the guests and for people that is using the pool. I hope you like my video. This is what you can get in Davie for $2.2 million. And well, I'm a big fan of Davie just because of the houses are big. You know, you get a lot for your money, a lot of land, many good things. So I hope to see you next week, and thank you for watching.